Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again welcome back to your class. Ravi Sarji Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our today video lesson, we will find out the value of k. K is unknown value which we have to find out if the conditions of given that the given pair of linear equation in two variables are consistent. Consistent means what, students? They have infinite many solutions. Okay students, because students we have studied three conditions that from that we can determine that the given pair of linear equations are consistent or not. Okay students, if the pair of linear equations are consistent, they might be intersect at a single point or infinite point. So students, here the condition is given for what value of k, the following pair of linear equation have a infinite many solutions. Okay students, if you have given a pair of linear equations with two variable and conditions are given, these pair of linear equations having infinite many solutions, so you will have to keep it in mind one condition. That condition is what? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Students, this is a condition from which you can determine that the given pair of linear equations are consistent and they having infinite many solutions. Okay students, here we will substitute the values of A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 and we can find out the coefficients of x over here, unknown values, right students? So from these things you can compare the values of A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2. So students, this equation will be compared by A1 x plus B1 y plus C1 is equal to 0 and A2 x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Students, this condition is what? This is the condition that pair of linear equations with two variable having infinitely many solutions. Okay, so from this pair of linear equations you can compare all these two pair of linear equations because these are the general form of pair of linear equation with two variables. Okay students, so from here A1, the value of A1 is what? K. Value of A2 12. Similarly, value of B1 3 and the value of B2, what is? K. What is C1? C1 is minus in the bracket. So here you can write what? C1. What? C1 minus in the bracket K minus 3. Minus K minus 3. And C2 is what? Minus K. Okay students, what you have to do over here, you will have to substitute the values in this condition and you can compare any two terms to find out unknown value K. Okay, A1, A2. What is A1? K. A2 is 12. B1 by B2. B1 is 3 and B2 is also K. C1 by C2. C1 is minus in the bracket K minus 3 and C2 is what? Minus K. Okay students, from here you can take any two terms, any two ratio. Either you can take K by 12 is equal to K by 3 by K, or you can compare these two, 3 by K or minus K minus 3 by K. Okay students, so let us considering these two things. So what we are getting over here, 3 by K is equal to minus in the bracket K minus 3 by minus K. Okay students, minus and minus will be cancelled out, K and K will be cancelled out. So what we are getting over here, 3 is equal to K minus 3. Okay, so K will be what? 3 plus 3. So k will be 6. Similarly, students, you can find out the value of k by comparing these two terms. Okay. Now moving to the second questions. Again, you will have to write what? Condition that determine the pair of linear equations of two variable having infinitely many solutions. So its condition is what? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Okay, students. So first of all, writing these things in what? General form. So these equations can be written as kx minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 6x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, students, now we can compare these two pair of linear equation by a1 x. So you can write over here comparing with what? A1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, friends, what is the value of a1 over here? The value of a1 is k, value of a2 6, value of b1 minus 1 and the value of b2 minus 2. What is c1? c1 is again minus 2 and c2 is minus 3. Right, students? So here we can write what? Putting these values a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So k by 6 is equal to minus 1 by minus 2 and here is minus 2 by minus 3. Okay, students, what you have to do over here? Just you can compare any two terms. K by 6 is equal to minus 1 by minus 1 or k by 6 minus 2 by minus 3. Okay, students, let us comparing these two terms. So k by 6 is equal to minus and minus will be cancelled out. So obviously you can write what? 1 over here. Understood, student? Okay, so the value of k will be what? 6. Similarly, students, if you will take the ratio k by 6 and minus 2 by minus 3, you can find out the values of k once again. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Similarly, comparing with first of all, write this pair of linear equation with two variable. So kx minus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 6x minus 12y minus 9 is equal to 0. So you can compare with a1x b1y c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So the value of a1 is k, value of a2 is 6, value of b1 minus 4, value of b2 is what? Minus 12, value of c1 minus 3 and value of c2 minus 9. Okay, students, now you can write the condition of equations having infinitely many solutions. So the condition is what? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Right, student? Okay. Writing the values of a1 by a2. So k by 6 is equal to minus 4 by minus 12 is equal to minus 3 by minus 9. Okay, students, you can compare any two ratios over here. So we are writing k by 6 and here is minus 4 by minus 12. These can be cancelled out. So what we are getting? K by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. They will be cancelled 2. So what we are getting? K by 2 is equal to 1. That implies K is equal to what? 2. Okay. Now moving to the final questions. These equations you will have to write in general form of linear equation with two variables. So we can write these things: x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 and k plus 1 x plus 9y minus in the bracket 7k plus 1 is equal to 0. Now students, you can compare with general equation, comparing with what? a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now the value of a1 over here, the value of a1 is 1, value of a2 k plus 1, value of b1 3 and b2 is 9, value of c1 minus 5, value of c1 minus 5 and the value of c2 minus in the bracket 7k plus 1. Okay students, now writing these values in the condition a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Okay, so a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, what is the value of a1? 1. a2 k plus 1. b1 3, b2 9. c1 minus 5 and c2 minus 7 in the bracket 7k plus 1. Okay students, we can compare these two ratios. So what we are getting? 1 by k plus 1, 3 by 9. So 9 will be cancelled by 3, so we are getting 3. So finally what we are getting? 1 upon k plus 1, 1 by 3. Okay, so we can convert these things because 1 by k plus 1 and 1 by 3. So ultimately what we are getting? K plus 1 is equal to 3, which implies k is equal to 3 minus 1. So what we are getting? 2. Okay friends, here we have completed today's video lessons. I hope you have understood this video lesson. For more video lessons of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you so much.